Is the time not displaying correctly on your Samsung phone? Well, no worries. In this advanced video, I'm going to show you how to fix the time not displaying correctly issue on your phone. So let's dive into the solutions. Without wasting any time, solution 1. Turn on scan throttling. Before anything else, make sure to turn on Wi-Fi scan throttling. Sometimes Wi-Fi connection might be the reason for this issue. Now, to do this, go to the settings. Then scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on the developer option and then scroll down to find the Wi-Fi scan throttling. Now, simply turn it on. Solution 2. Turn on automatic date and time. Go to the settings, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on general management. Next, tap on date and time. From here you will see the automatic date and time option. Now just turn it on. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solutions. Solution 3. Set time and date manually. Go to settings again, then scroll down. Find out the general management, and then tap on it. Here you will find the date and time option. Now tap on it. If you turned on the automatic date and time option before, then make sure to turn it off and then tap on set date. Now set your current date and then tap done from the below. Next, tap on set time. Set your time and then tap done from the below. Solution 4. Turn on the automatic time zone and set the time zone based on location. Go to the settings once again. Now scroll down a bit. After that, tap on the general management again and then tap on the date and time. Here, you will find these automatic time zones and set the time zone based on location options. Before turning them on, make sure to turn on the location service. After that, turn them on. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Go to the settings once again, then scroll down. After that, tap General Management. Then scroll down again. Now tap Reset. Scroll down once more. Now tap Reset all settings. Then tap Reset settings. Again, tap Reset. Wait for a while. Now go ahead and check the issue, whether it is fixed or not. Hope it is fixed. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thanks a bunch for watching.